Hello.
What's going on? Puppet?
Hey guys.
Hi. Oh, hi, Jimmy. Hi,
So,
Edward.
what's
did we just get
happening?
teleported here by Max?
Oh
No,
wow,
who's gonna
man.
Where
Oh,
is
wow.
Oh no, this is not
here?
good.
Where is here?
Who are you?
And what are you? Ooh.
What am I? What are you?
No, not you. You're kind of cute.
You're
What?
blue.
You.
What are you? You have horns. I
You
don't
look
have
scary.
You
Whoop.
look scary. You have horns.
Wait, I can't see your face.
I have my horns.
What's your
Yeah.
name?
My name is the Puppet.
The
The
puppet.
puppet. Ooh, that comes off your lips kind of nice. The puppet. Ooh,
The puppet.
So what is your name? What is your name?
I am Edward.
And who are you?
Well, it's nice to meet you, Edward.
Oh, very nice to meet you too. Very nice. Oh, wait.
Oh,
I'm supposed to shake that hand. Oh, that's a scare. Dude, you got 3 fingers.
yes, I have 3 fingers.
You're supposed to have 4 fingers, like every other good creature.
Wait, I'm not.
Where
a
is
creature?
your thumb, man?
Who's that?
Where is your
Oh,
thumb?
I
You
saw
only
a
have
head.
3. You only have
What
3
happened?
fingers.
It was like a bald head. I don't know what happened. But
Oh, I'm so confused.
I got
Wait.
scared. Got scarier than you, puppet.
Wait.
I saw a top of a bald head. What was going on there?
Wait,
What's
Edward.
this on your head?
Ooh, that's my horn.
Edward.
Oh, that feels nice.
What is
Edward.
your
You can
horn?
pet my horn any day.
Ooh.
What?
That's your.
That's my head.
Edward.
What?
You know, you kind of look like that Cookie Monster from that one show.
Cookie Monster. No, that's a kid's show. But you know, Cookie Monster's my nephew. Great nephew.
I think
On his
Wait.
mother's side.
I'm kind of spacing
Wait,
out.
so you're Cookie Monster's uncle.
I am Cookie Monster. Whoa.
I have no control of my hands. Wow.
Wait, your hands must be numb.
They are numb. I can't even.
Let me
I
feel.
can't
Let me
They're
even.
feel.
numb.
Feel.
Feel.
Oh, no. I feel some blood blowing in there.
I feel some blood too.
Orange blood, though.
I'm
Red
still.
blood.
Man. Puppet man.
Puppet Man.
Puppet man.
Burning all the
I
cheese
still
off
can't figure
and
out,
you know.
Puppet man.
And I
Where
think
your
it's gonna be a
thumbs
long
are.
time.
What?
Where are your thumbs, man?
To take it back.
It's right here.
Those are fingers, man. Those are thumbs.
Fingers. Where? What? What? Where are your thumbs? That's a good question.
You,
This is my thumb.
You,
It's right
sir,
here.
are like just like
What? Sir?
I don't even know how to describe you, man.
What gender are you?
I'm what's gender?
I'm a boy. I think this is. It's probably a long video.
It's only 3 minutes and 21 seconds, it says.
It's kind of long,
I
man.
don't know, man.
It's long, man.
I'm gonna put my,
It's long, man.
Long, man. No,
gonna
that's
put
puppet.
I'm gonna put my eye.
Wait. What are you doing?
I put my eye up to it and it says it's 3 minutes and 38 seconds.
Oh, far out, dude. What are you doing? Jimmy.
Get up!
Jimmy. Hey. What?
You guys are bumming me out. I just can't even take it anymore.
Oh. What is going on here? Where did we get transported to? This is just crazy. I'm saying crazy.
So how do we get out of here? How do
I'm
we-
back. I'm still here. Wait. I'm
Wait.
still here?
Yes.
I thought I went home. No.
We're
Look it. It is
Where-
still.
We're still trapped! Forever.
Oh my lord.
We are trapped. In the internal void. Forever.
My eyes are big, man, but I can't see anything.
You got some nice bushy eyebrows. I'll give you that much.
Why do you have such
I love the
long-
color of those eyes.
Why do
And
you
the
have-
mullet. The mullet is good.
Why do you have long hair?
Why don't you
man.
have any hair?
Cause I'm a rock star,
In
man.
Where is your hair?
It's right there. Don't use it.
More important, where are your thumbs, man?
It's right here.
I'm
It's
only
right.
seeing fingers.
Those are fingers, man. Where's your thumbs?
It's right.
Give me some thumbs. Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, man. Thumbs up.